Welcome to the Alpha Training and Consulting's online training program. Today's module is entitled, Which Training Services Include Hands-on Reliability Engineering Workshops? That's a great question. Customize hands-on training. At Alpha Training and Consulting, every course is custom built to meet your specific goals, needs, and learning preferences. Our classes feature hands-on exercises that help you translate concepts into practical applications within your own work environment. One of our most popular activities involves analyzing a process that fails to meet reliability standards, then redesigning it to meet or exceed those standards. Participants then develop a maintenance plan to sustain long-term performance and ensure continuous reliability improvement. We offer the following training options. You can take our classes face-to-face on-site training, live stream training, or online with live stream tutorials as needed, and that's our most common class that we sell. I'll be your instructor, John Lee, founder and president of Alpha Training and Consulting. Remember, I hold all 19 ASQ certifications, which makes me uniquely qualified to help you prepare for your certification exam. I'm a Shingo Award-winning author for my book, Rising Above It All, The Art and Science of Organizational Transformation. I have over 30 years of experience in quality, reliability, and process improvement. I'm a professor at Brigham Young University, teaching Six Sigma, quality, and reliability courses for the last 12 plus years. I've trained professionals from Google, Schneider Electric, Aramco, BD Medical, U.S. Air Force, and hundreds of other great organizations. I'm known globally for clear, practical, and engaging instructions. I've taught all over the world, Far East, Middle East, North America, all over the world. What I'm trying to communicate is I have a lot of experience in all different kinds of cultures, and I can most certainly help you obtain your certification. So prepare with confidence for the ASQ Certified Reliability Engineering exam with Alpha TC. I have a comprehensive 13-week course led by myself, who has all 19 ASQ certifications. I think I said that before. What else here? Oh, this 13-week course is the schedule for my live stream class. I'll go over that here in a little bit. You'll learn reliability principles, probability statistics, data analysis, modeling, and life testing. Perfect for professionals in reliability, manufacturing, engineering, and quality roles. What you'll learn: reliability fundamentals, design and development reliability, statistical tools for reliability, reliability modeling and prediction, life data analysis and accelerated testing, maintainability and availability, reliability management, etc. We go through the whole body of knowledge in very thorough detail. Course format, again, can be delivered as an online class, a live stream class, or an on-site face-to-face class. The 13-week program, which is 3-hour sessions each week for those 13 weeks, and this is for our live stream class. That's the most common. We can design it otherwise, but that's the most common. 1-week program for face-to-face on-site with online live stream support as needed. In the Middle East, they love this format, the 1-week classes, and it was so successful that we offer it to all our clients now. So I come to your organization, teach face-to-face for 1 week, go over the most difficult elements of the body of knowledge, and what's left you do as an online assignment. And it's very successful, and I think you will enjoy that. And so that's our face-to-face class. Also, all these classes, whether it's online, live stream, or on-site, it will include the ASQ CRE handbook, instructor notes, practice exam, and a calculator that's legal for the testing environment. You also, no matter if it's online, live stream, or on-site, you'll get 2 years of online access to all my lectures, and all my lectures are online, and all the exams and downloadable resources. You'll get a step-by-step guidance aligned with the latest ASQ CRE body of knowledge. So in summary, why choose Alpha Training and Consulting? Oh, why? Because we have over 30 years of reliability and quality engineering experience. I'm a Shingo Award-winning author, and I also have a proven record of student success. I combine real-world industrial experience with ASQ exam mastery. I have personalized support and exam taking strategies. This is very unique to my organization. I teach you how to become a great test taker, and it is very powerful. Because to pass an ASQ exam, you not only need to thoroughly understand the body of knowledge, you'd also better be a good test taker. So I teach you both those. Thousands of professionals trained worldwide on ASQ certifications. I've had a lot of experience. So here's my contact information, john.lee@alphatc.com. And be sure and check out my websites at alphatc.com. Go to the Reliability Engineering class. Click on that. It'll give you a whole list of everything you're purchasing there. Full transparency. And also, you can go to asqcre.com. This is a website dedicated specifically to the Reliability Engineering class. So check those out. If you have any questions, let me know. Keep us in mind for all of your ASQ certification preparation needs. We prepare students for most of the ASQ certifications. Congratulations, you have completed this module. I hope you have learned something new that will enhance your career. And hopefully you'll consider Alpha TC for your reliability engineering training needs. It'd be a great honor for me to work with you. Thank you, and have a great day. Goodbye.